Hello Gemini, this is your October love reading. If you have Gemini in your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, you can watch this video. Okay, so let's see what we have for Gemini. Okay. So let's shuffle this. I saw 10 of Swords. Like something you are feeling right now. Like something has ended in your life. Some relationship, some situation. Or 10 of Swords is also showing here that your mental conflict. Okay, let's see what is happening in your love life. Ace of Pentacles. Clearly, I saw 2 times 10 of Swords. What has ended in your life or what you are feeling right now will definitely start something new. It is going to be new. Aces. It's all about new beginning. Okay. So yeah, we have Emperor also. Yeah. Just be in your power, and whatever has ended in your life, just forget about that, because we have Ace of Pentacles here. Okay. So let's see. 3 of Cups. Exactly. Celebration. Death. We have received 10 of Swords and the Death also. Definitely you just gone through a very tough times or some transformation, some changes into your life. 3 we have. Maybe here third party is involved here. The Wheel. This is fated. The Death and the Will. It's a very powerful combination. 4 of Cups. Some rejection maybe. Again, look at this. How people can say that tarot is for entertainment purpose. I'm very, I hate this sentence that tarot is for entertainment purpose. No, it's not for entertainment. It's a very spiritual for many people, because just look at this. The spirit is showing me for Gemini people. This is the third time I am seeing this 10 of Swords, and exactly at that time I saw this 10 of Swords, I think about the Death card, and it is also appearing. It's all about how you see the things. Okay, how you see the things. Look at this, how this card is resonating each other. 10 of Swords and the Death. The Strength. Major Arcana. You have kept a lots of strength, a lot of you have just handled all the things in your life in a very good way, in a very good manner. Okay, whatever the situation is, just this is your last cycle. You have ended that cycle. Okay, so nothing to worry about. I am seeing here that something you are holding since long time, like something you was holding since a long time, is not serving you, so you ended this. Was definitely not serving you, because we have 4 of Pentacles, and yeah, definitely look at this 4 of Pentacles and this 4 of Cups. Number 4 is very significant here. Let's talk about the sign present here. The Wheel is taking all the signs, but yeah. So we have water sign here. Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio. We have Scorpio with this Death card is strongly present here, and with this Swords we have Aquarius, Libra and Gemini, and also we have a Strength here, Leo, and Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. We don't have any fire sign here, so let's see. So we have Four of Cups and Four of Pentacles, and we have 3 also, 3 3 and 4 4. Maybe it's a very significant for you, very important number for you. Okay, so okay, with this Four of Cups and Four of Pentacles, the first thing coming into your into my mind is that Four of Cups is nothing but a, it's a card which is saying me that you are just facing some rejection, some boredom, and some disagreement, dissatisfaction into your life. Okay, like look at this. This is, sorry for background noise. So yeah, you have like something you are holding something, some person or some situation from since long time, and which is not giving you any result, which is not serving you anymore, and which is not giving you just equal give and take. And this situation was like you are very fed up from that situation into your life. This Four of Cups is showing here. Okay, and you are just tired of that situation. You are just thinking that you are defeated now, like you are thinking like it's over, and it is nothing going to serve you, and there is no hope into this situation and into this relationship with this person. Okay, maybe this is your recent past situation, but definitely your overall energy is Ace of Pentacles. Remember that whatever is ending here, whatever is transforming here, it's fated with this Wheel of Fortune. This wheel is definitely turning into your favor, and the wheel is, if a wheel is very powerful card, and it's a major arcana card, and the wheel is telling you that it's going to into your favor. Whatever is ending is happening into your life, whatever you have like a lot of strength, a lot of patience you have kept into you, and a lot of things you have gone through. Definitely sorry to say, but yeah, we have 2-3 years. Some third party is involved here. Third party may be some person or something, I don't know, so take what resonates with you. Here the third party is definitely involved here. That's why this relationship is not serving you, and this is not for you. Okay, definitely this is not for you. That's why this Ten of Swords and the Death is appearing. Okay, this is not for you. Definitely you have to move on from this situation. It is not going to give you that what you want. It's not equal give and take. Okay, so here the very powerful combination is Death and the Ace of Pentacles. Whatever has ended, whatever, if till now it's not ended, then this is a message for you. Just end this. Just end this cycle and start something new. Maybe something new is coming towards you, or just take a break. Okay, from that situation, from that cycle, just take a break from that. If this not ended, just end this. Whatever is meant for you, it's meant for you. Okay, so forget about this. And yeah, Death is a very, it's a transformation, and it's fated. Wheel of Fortune, you can't resist this, you can't control this, you can't stop this. Clearly I am saying this to you. And yeah, don't hold on this. Just no, it's a very high time, and it's a very right time to take that decision. Don't hold this, don't possessive about this, and don't just leave that situation or end this cycle. This wheel is turning, right? So your cycle It has to be, ended. This will happen. You want it or not. It will happen. It will end. We have 2 4 here, we have 2 3 here, and we have 2 10 here. 10. Okay. I know patience is a very bad word I am using here, because you have gone through a lot. Without patience and without this strength and power in you, nothing is impossible. You have to clear this journey. I have also crossed so many tough journey and so many tough situation in my life, so I can understand the patience word is very, very not a good word I am using here for you, because you have gone through a lot. And yes, why I'm saying this, because 10 of swords, you have gone through a lot, like your mental conflicts, your 3D life conflicts. Okay, you have gone through a lot, so it's time to transform all this with this with this death card. Okay, and something big is coming into your way. Ace of Pentacles is a minor arcana sun card. It's a sun card for me. So sun, what is the sun, what is sun bringing for us? Sun is a just love and light. It's a proposal, it's a promotion, it's a new beginning, it's a blissful family, it's a happy family. Ace of Pentacles is all about. Okay, and some celebration is coming into your life. So okay, I will take one card as an outcome for you, for Gemini people. It's a part of journey, so yeah, it will happen with this wheel of fortune. Queen of Pentacles and 7 of Pentacles. Again, earth sign. So earth sign is telling me here that stay grounded, stay patient. Till now you have kept lot of patience, a lot of strength in you. So yeah, it's a time to just hold on, just what is meant for you. Okay, and stay grounded, stay loving, and just do your own work, and just be in your power. Okay, just what has ended, what is, just leave this situation, just forget about this, because your cycle is completed now. Okay, your cycle has ended now, and with this death card, some new beginning is happening. Just look at this. This is of this Pentacles and this Pentacle. What you are holding here is offering only for you. Okay, you are going to hold this Pentacle, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so don't worry. Look at this, how every card is resonating with each other. You are meant to be this. What is offering to you with this Ace of Pentacles? Just hold this Pentacles only. Okay, this is a message, an outcome, and a guidance for you, Gemini, Queen of Pentacles. Be in your power. Just do some self-love, self-care. Only focus on yourself right now. This is a guidance for you. Focus on yourself right now. Forget about anything. Forget about your situation. Okay, so yeah, this is your reading, Gemini. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. So thank you.